Assalamu alaikum. I am very happy to be here for the launch of Pakistan's faster payment system, Raast. This is an excellent milestone, a very important one to contribute to the objective of Pakistan's national payment systems strategy, and really delighted that the World Bank has been a partner with others in supporting the State Bank of Pakistan achieve this objective. This is a very important milestone to enable easier, faster, more secure payment system for the people of Pakistan. This will contribute greatly to improve financial inclusion in the country, including for women. I'm very happy also to hear that government programs like Ihsas and also payment systems of government for salaries or pension or others will use Raast, and this will be extremely important to boost financial inclusion in the country. I'd like to congratulate the State Bank of Pakistan for its leadership and for bringing Pakistan among the leading countries in the world that use such systems. And this is, I really commend the State Bank, and I'm very happy that the World Bank was able to contribute and will continue to support the State Bank in the development of the national payment systems and implementing the national payment system strategy, which is absolutely crucial for the development of the country, including spurring innovation and technological advance in the private sector and also in government.